Hi children, hearty welcome to our spoken English class. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to explain physical appearance. Children, do you know what are physical appearance? Human physical appearance or human physical characteristics is the outward look of human beings. Physical characteristics can include a variety of things. Physical characteristics are what you see with the bare eye. They include anything you can describe about a person or group of people just on a look. What are physical appearance? Physical characteristics are defining traits or features about your body. These are aspects that are visually apparent, knowing nothing else about the person. First thing you see when you look at someone is the physical appearance of a person. Children, why is physical appearance important? Physical appearance may be so important to everyone because we associate others with your positive qualities of our physical appearance. Now, when we are talking about physical appearance, there are many aspects or features in them. They are age, height, build, hair, eyes, tone or skin tone. Children, the first important factor in physical appearance is age. Talking about physical appearance on the basis of age, different age people have different ways of appearance. From these appearance, we can sometimes predict the age. By seeing the look of a person, we generally classify them as child, teen, young, middle-aged or adult, old or elderly person. To talk about age, we can use the expression teens 10 to 19, 20s 20 to 29, 30s 30 to 39, 40s 40 to 49, 50s 50 to 59, 60s 60 to 69, 70s 70 to 79, etc. For example, he is in his 20s, she is in her 40s. We can also use some words before the above expression. They are early, mid, late. For example, Josh is in his early 30s. Next one is height. To describe someone's height, you can say they are tall or short. Tall people are higher than short people. Someone who is thin and tall can be called lanky. To say someone is short and also small, you can say they are petite. The three main way we express height is: first one is he is tall, second one is he is of average height or medium height, third is he is short. Next factor is build. How we describe the person according to their build is through size of their body. For a person with less weight and less fat, we may say he is thin or she is slim. But for an overweight person, we say he is fat or she look plump, etc. When we describe about a person according to their build, we use the following words to express: slim, skinny, plump, overweight, fat, stocky, well built. For example is my brother is well built. My uncle is overweight. Next is hair. Hair is another aspect of describing physical appearance. Some like to be bald, some like to have long hair, and some like to style the hair also. Talking about hair, there are two aspects about hair. They are hairstyle and hair color. To express about hairstyle, we use the words bald, spiky, flat top, long hair, bow or straight hair, shoulder length, curly, long and wavy, band, braid, pigtails, etc. For example, he has a bald head. She has a braided hair. To talk about the hair color, dark, blonde, brown, grey and red. Example, she has a blonde hair. He has grey hair. Next one is eyes. Eyes is one of our sense organ and also one of the aspects of describing the physical appearance of a person. Eyes can be described in the following ways. On the basis of size, we can say first one is big. For example, his eyes is big. Next one is small. Example, her eyes is small. On the basis of color, we can say black, grey, brown, hazel, blue, green, etc. For example is his eye is brown in color. Her eye is blue in color. The last one is tone, skin tone. One of the important aspects of physical appearance in skin tone. Different people have different complexion. The various ways to express skin tone are light, pale, pale, tanned, brown, dark brown, and black. For example, her face is pale. His skin tone is black. Dear children, I hope you got an idea about physical appearance through this class. Children, now it task for you. The question is, write your physical appearance and send it to your English teacher. Thank you so much.